This is web technology, first exercise output, creating a simple web page. The topic that I've chosen is a web page that will display information about Egypt. So here we have two main regions, that is the head and the body. In the head we can give the title of the page and as well as a few keywords which will include many attributes. I have used many tags like h1 tag, hr tag, p tag, h2 tag, div tag, a tag. So as we go down, scroll down, we will see about it in detail. Initially I have given the background color is yellow and the text color to be in purple. So the keyword that is used for that is bg color for the background color and text for the text color. H1 and H2 are supposed to be the size of our text, and align means the alignment of the sentence, maybe in center, left or right, and Egypt here is my heading. So let's see how the output looks. Here it is, Egypt. Sorry, this is the background, yellow color, and this is Egypt, that is in purple color, as well as all the text is also in the purple color. When we compare the size of this text and Egypt seems to be bigger. That's because we have given h1 as its size. Now when we come down, we have a subheading called introduction, where I have given the size as h2. I have used the h2 tag and the p tag. P tag is used for paragraphing. So when we need to shift to another paragraph, we use this p tag. And I have given a few information about Egypt here, and for that I have used the div tag, wherein the informations are given in the next immediate line. Each tag needs to be closed. So how do we open a tag? We open a tag by using this syntax, and when we need to close it, we need to use a hash symbol with it. Now here I have given a link which is clickable. So when we need to give a link which is clickable, we need to use a anchor tag, that is a tag. Here you can see. So when you click on this, it will enter into a new page. I will show you this. So the syntax for this is using a anchor tag with href. This is the keyword. So when we see in the output page, see, you can see here, click here. So this is a when we get the cursor over here, it changes into a clickable one. So when we click here, maybe the mail or the anything of it, it will go to another page. See, you can see here. Yeah, so the link is provided there, and when we click there, it goes back to another page. Now let's move back. So here in the syntax, what we need to do is we need to give which site the clickable reference has to take in, as well as what needs to be printed. So the same thing applies here also. I have given some mail ID and also a number, and here I have added a image which is a clickable image. As you can see here, see, the cursor changes. This is a clickable image, and when I click onto this image, it opens in a new page. So for this, what I have done is I have saved the image in the site. I have pasted the image in the site root here. So you can see the image name is logo.jpp, and when you provide the name, you need to give it as .jpp, and I have aligned it to left. I have used the div tag as well as the a tag also, and after saving it here, you will get the image. Now as we go down, we have the next heading, that is subheading 2. Let's go back now, and yes, here it is. This is a subheading 2. Here also use just the same way. I have given many information. Let's go to the NetBean, and yes, see here using the diff tag and h2 tag I have given the information. And yes, now what I have done here is I have given two lists, that is ordered list and unordered list. So what exactly this does is, let's go to the output. Here there are a list of pharaoh names. So the bulletin points are unordered list, whereas the numbered ones are ordered list. So I have given a set of ordered list inside an unordered list, as you can see here. So the syntax for this that I have used is here ol tag and ul tag, ol tag, and then the names must be given into the list tag, that is li tag, as you can see here. The the names of the pharaohs, for example, this is what I have given. And yes, I've closed the ol tag, and then next one, the next bulletin point opens here. You can see that very well here, the separation of them. Now as we go down, we can see this. Let's go to the output. Yes, see the spacing over here. Capital city, Cairo, Prime Minister, Ibrahim. So this output, this information can be obtained by using the code DL, DT and DD. Now coming back to the third subheading, that is third block. Here also we have used the paragraph tag, h2 tag and diff tag and all that, and a few information are printed here. And here we have created a table. So to create a table, the syntax is the table tag, where initially when you create a table, the table is not visible. So to make it visible, we need to give the border as 1, the border size as 1. Only then our table will be visible. Now let's see the table that we've created. Here's our table. So here there's nothing called mentioning how many rows and columns that we require. It depends on the tags that we use. So tr is table row, the number of rows, and we have another tag called th, that is called table header. So this is the head of the table. So how many columns that we require. Since my first column has no name, I have left it empty, whereas the second one is dynasty, and the rest of them are here, and I need to close the row tag. So this means one row is completed. And now I have entered into the second row, and now I have used something called row span here. This is a keyword where I need to enter one data in 2 blocks, which is common for 2 blocks. Now let's see in the output. See here, there's something called, see there are 2 rows here, but then the data over here is similar, same for both. So to do this, to merge this, for merging this, we use the special command row span. So you can span it by mentioning how many number of rows that we are gonna skip, and that is why I've given it as row span 2, and the rest of the data that I need to provide can be listed down here using the td tag, that is table data tag. The same thing continues for the next set of rows that I have given here. It's just the same. Here I have given row span 4, which will actually give the information for 4 tags. And when we come down, yes, the table is all done. And then when we complete the table, I think we need to close the paragraph tag also, because we every tag that we open, we need to ensure that it is closed. Then we have closed the body, and this is what the content is all about, and then the HTML tag too. Thank you.